Today we're diving into a fascinating question. What if factories could predict the quality of a product before it's even built? Sounds futuristic, right? But it's happening already. In today's episode, we're talking about new research from King Abdulaziz University in Saudi Arabia. Their study shows how combining two artificial intelligence tools, artificial neural networks and genetic algorithms, can make manufacturing smarter, faster, and way more reliable. So let's keep it simple. Neural networks are like the brain of a system. They learn from past data and make predictions, like guessing how a product will perform based on its design. Genetic algorithms, on the other hand, act like the theory of evolution. They test out different options, keep the best ones, mix them up, and improve over time. Now here's the clever part. When you put these two together, you get a closed-loop system. That means predictions from the neural network guide the optimization done by the genetic algorithm. The result? Factories can spot the best combination of parts and processes before mistakes happen. Why is this exciting? Because it means fewer defective products, less waste, and more consistent quality, without slowing down production. Imagine refrigerators, cars, or even medical devices being built with fewer errors and higher reliability. That's the power of predictive techniques in boosting product quality. And this is just the beginning. The same approach could be expanded to save energy, cut costs, and maybe even reshape entire industries. So, here's a thought to leave you with. If AI can already predict and optimize product quality in factories today, what other parts of manufacturing could it transform tomorrow? This was the R&D Lab. Thanks for listening. Visit engisphere.com to explore the engineering concepts. Don't forget to subscribe and join us the next as we explore more innovations in the frontiers of engineering.